Hello traders, welcome to the video. In this video, I'll be showing you a very powerful strategy that you can use to trade the volatility index market and the boom and crash market. It also works in the forex market, crypto market, so you can decide any market you want to trade. I want this video to be as short as possible, so I will head straight to the information. If you look carefully on my chart, this is the 4-hour time frame and this is boom 1000. This strategy also works on the 1-hour time frame, 15 minutes time frame, but you must make sure that the direction of your analysis must be very correct before you enter the trade. So you can use simple price action as your analysis, or if you are an SMC trader, you can also use that to do your top-down analysis, and then you use this strategy to get a more perfect entry in the lower time frames. And if you look on my indicator, I have moving average, I have MACD, and moving average I have RSI, which has the level 85 and 15. The level 85 acts as the overbought level, where when market buy to, it is likely to sell, and the level 15 acts as the oversold level, where market sells to, it is likely to buy. So before I explain how this strategy works, let me quickly show you settings to this indicator. First thing you do is to click on this indicator icon over here. Moving average, relative strength index, MACD, and moving average. Select the first moving average, click on the F icon on the main chart. Moving average, make your period to be 21, shifts to be 0, method to be linear weight, apply to close, style 3 pixel, and select color of your choice. After that, click on save. For the relative strength index, click on the F icon on the main chart. Scroll down a bit, RSI, click on that. Make a period to be 1, apply to close, style 1 pixel, select color of your background. For the levels, click on this pen icon, add level, type 15 and 85, style 1 pixel, select color of your choice. After that, click on save. For the MACD, click on the F icon on indicators Windows 1. Scroll down a bit, MACD, click on that. Make your fast EMA to be 15, slow EMA to be 26, MACD SMA to be 12, apply to close. For the styles, make it 3 pixel and select color of your choice. After that, click on save. For the last moving average, click on the F icon on indicators Windows 1. Moving average, make your period to be 1, shift to be 0, method to be linear weight, apply to previous indicators data, style, make it 3 pixel and select color of your choice. After that, click on save. So if you follow my settings correctly, your chart should look exactly as what you see over here. So for the zoom level, let's say this is the innermost zoom, so you will zoom in 3 times, 1, 2, 3. So this is the best zoom level for this strategy. First thing we want to pay attention to is these candles. We want to see this candle buys to the upside or sell to the downside, and pushes this MACD and moving average into the 85 level. So once we enter the 85 level, you know that is overbought level, so we are looking for sell opportunities. You want to see the candle goes below the moving average, which is this purple line on my main chart. So once you have that, you want to wait for the cross of the MACD and also the moving average over here. You can see at this point, so you can draw out your recent support and resistance level over here. You want to wait for market to reject that level, push to the downside. So once you see this red candle closes, you can enter your sell. Your stop loss will be above the moving average. Then hold your trade until when this indicator enters into the 15 level, or you can target all these lows to the downside. So for the buy condition, what you are looking for is opposite to the sell condition. So what do you want to see? You want to see market sell to the downside because we want it to be oversold before we buy to the upside. So we can see at this point, it pushes the MACD and the moving average into the 15 level. You want to see the candles goes above this moving average. Over here, you want to see the cross of the moving average and the MACD around this point. The next thing you do is to draw out your recent support and resistance level. So when you see market retest, then you see a push to the upside. You want to enter your buy here. Your stop loss will be below this swing or the moving average. See market comes to retest this level but did not go below this moving average. Then you hold your trade until when it enters into the 85 level. Let me show you more examples. This is the crash 900 market. This is a sell condition. This is recent market. You can see how market buys to the upside, pushes this MACD and the moving average into the 85 level. So once you have that, you want to see this candle goes below this moving average. At the same time, you want to see the cross of the MACD and the moving average. You can see that it is aligning at this point. You want to draw out your recent support and resistance level. Right? See market comes to retest that level, you see a push down, enter your sell, your stop loss will be above the swing or above the moving average. Market comes and take out this low, at the same time enters into the 15 level. So this is volatility 10 market. What do you see over here? We want to buy to the upside when the market enters into the oversold level. So you can see how this candle falls to the downside, breaks this moving average, then enters into the 15 level. You want to see the candle goes above this moving average. You have it at this point. At the same time, you want to see the cross of the moving average and the MACD. You have it at this point. So what do you do next? You draw out your recent support and resistance level. This green candle over here, that is a pullback. Then market comes. So once you see this entry this point and then closes above, you can enter your buy. Your stop loss will be below this moving average. Then you hold your trade until when it take out this high to the left. You can see the market comes to retest this level again, then it buys to take out that high, at the same time enters into the 85 level at this point. So this is another buy condition. That market sell to the downside, pushes the MACD and the moving average into the 15 level. At the same time, you see the candle goes below this moving average. You want to see it goes above the moving average again, you have it at this point. You withdraw your recent support or resistance level before the lowest low. We did not have any pullback in between this point and this point. So once you see market comes to retest this level and you see this green push to the upside, you can enter your buy. Your stop loss will be below this moving average or this swing, and you hold your trade until when it take out this high or when it enters into the 85 level. So this is the good market. You can see over here, this is XAU USD. Like I said, this also works perfectly in the forex market. So you can see at this point, market push to the downside, pushes this MACD and this moving average into the 15 level. You want to see the candle goes above this moving average. At the same time, you want to see the cross of this moving average and this MACD. So over here, you have the cross. Let's zoom in. Then you will draw out your recent support and resistance level, which will be at this point. Like I said, once you have these down close candles, and then you have a single up candle over there, then another close candle. So that is a pullback. You can see at this point, low, high, then low, to break this high. So it is like change of structure when trading SMC. So once you see this retest and market push to the upside, enter your buy. Your stop loss will be below this swing or this moving average. As the market comes to retest this level again, then buys to the upside to enter into the 85 level, or you can target these highs to the left. So what you are looking for is the same thing over and over again. One thing you should take note is that this strategy is not 100%, but at least get up to 70% win rate. And with a tighter stop loss, which I have showed you how you can easily place your stop loss, you will be able to make more out of the market. So after this, I want you to go back on your chart, backtest this strategy, go on different pairs, forex pairs, crypto pairs. You will definitely see one or two opportunities over there. You will not get it at first, but if you pay close attention, you will start to see them on your chart. So that is basically what I want to show you in this video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I release a new video. You can also check out my other videos that are displaying right now on your screen. Thanks for watching.